thunderstorm was located over Lanham Brook or near FedEx Field, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bowie, College Park, Crofton, Greenbelt, Beltsville, Bladensburg, South River, Severn River, Tillery Bay, FedEx Field, Severna Park, Orrington, Arnold, Landover, Lakeshore, Brole, East Riverdale, Kettering, New Carrollton, and Mitchellville. This is a dangerous storm. For your protection, go indoors, ideally to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or building. From the National Weather Service. For the following county, Calvert, Maryland. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for northwestern Calvert County in southern Maryland until 12:15 a.m. At 9:15 p.m., trained weather spotters reported heavy rain in North Beach and Chesapeake Beach due to thunderstorms. The heavy rain is causing flooding. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that may experience flooding include Chesapeake Beach, North Beach, Huntingtown, Aquasco, Sunderland, and Lower Marlborough. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. Never drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Floodwaters are usually deeper than they appear. Just 1 foot of flowing water is powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flooding is observed, act quickly.